In this session, I will explain about switch operator. Switch operator is similar to nested case and end case. The difference is we need we need not have to keep specifying the target variable again and again. In case end case, for each case when condition, we need to specify the target variable and the value. But in switch, we should not be doing that. On the screenshot, you can see I have written a program before release 7.4 in the case statement for every when we have the value of a variable assigned. So the target variable is assigned again and again. Whereas with release 7.4 and after, the switch switch operation came, by which we no need to declare in use or specify the target variable again and again. So the target variable is once and the value will be assigned when one Monday to Tuesday like that. And we need to specify the data type because it cannot be implicitly identified as we are using inline declaration. So after switch, we need to specify the data type. So the result will be converted in the data type car30 and returned to lbtxt. So this is the basic difference between the case and end case before release 7.4 and with after release 7.4 the use of switch statement. The number of lines of code is definitely less because the target variable specification not required again and again. Thank you for watching.